There is something about a camera that does not need a battery, a memory card, or a Wi-Fi connection that just sits there and holds an entire era inside it. This is the Pantasy retro camera building set. It's a love letter to twin lens reflex photography built brick by brick. And today we are going to build it, explore every detail, and figure out who this thing is really made for. Right out of the box, you already get a sense of what Pantasy is going for. The packaging is clean, the instruction manual is well laid out, and the parts are sorted into numbered bags, which if you have built other sets like this, you will appreciate. There's also little photographer minifigure included tiny, detailed, and honestly kind of charming. He comes with the set to complement the storytelling aspect of the display. We'll talk more about that. His quality feels solid, good clutch, consistent molding, nothing rattling loose, and the color palette, that warm black, cream, and silver, it immediately reads as vintage. This is clearly designed to look good on a shelf, not just good in a box. The build process is generally enjoyable. It's not a speed run. This is a set designed for adult builders. So there are layered techniques, some satisfying symmetry work, and moments where you step back and think, oh, I see what they did there. The dual lens assembly is particularly impressive. Both lenses are built separately and mirror each other, which means you are essentially building the same structure twice, but it never feels repetitive. It reinforces the twin lens reflex aesthetics in a really tactile way. Overall difficulty? I'd call it intermediate, comfortable for experienced builders, accessible for newcomers who are patient with instructions. Expect a solid afternoon of focused building, not hours of frustration, but not mindless either. You are not just building a model, you are reconstructing a whole philosophy of photography, slow, deliberate, present. Now, here's where this set goes beyond just looking pretty. Let me walk you through the interactive details. First, the waist level viewfinder hood. Open it up and look down through the Fresnel lens. It actually simulates the classic top-down TLR shooting experience. It's a small thing, but it immediately puts you in the mindset of 1950s street photographer crouching over their Reflex. The focusing knob on the side rotates and physically extends the front lens assembly. It's display only movement. So don't expect optical mechanics, but the tactile feedback is satisfying and replicates the feelings of dwelling in manual focus. The back panel opens to reveal a removable film module, and this is where the storytelling really kicks in. The film component has printed design of famous landmarks, Big Ben, the Arc de Triomphe, the Statue of Liberty. Paired with the minifigure, it becomes a little diorama of a photographer on a world tour. It's a clever, narrative touch that elevates this from model to display piece with a story. The silver-coated elements, the lens rings, the hardware details have a genuine metallic sheen. From precision pad printing up close, it looks refined, the kind of finish you don't usually expect at this price point. Let's talk about where this actually lives. Because Pantasy designed this is a decorative object first, building set second, and it earns that description. On its desk, it anchors its space with personality. It photographs beautifully, whether you are setting up a backdrop for content creation, decorating a home studio, or just renting something on your shelf that sparks a conversation. It scales well visually. It's not tiny, not overwhelming. Proportions feel faithful to a real twin lens reflex camera, which makes it satisfying to look at even if you have never held the real thing. For photography enthusiasts specifically, this is display piece with meaning. It's not just a toy that looks visually like a camera. It's clearly researched, proportioned, and crafted by people who understood what made these cameras iconic. So who is the Pantasy retro camera actually for? It's for the adults builder who wants something to display after the build, not just a project that goes into a box afterward. It's for the photography lover who appreciates the heritage of film cameras but doesn't need a functioning darkroom. It's a great gift, the kind of thing that shows you actually thought about who you are buying for. And honestly, it's for anyone who looks at your shelf and thinks it could use a little more character. This is that. It's not for someone who wants pure building complexity or want to swap out a dozen configurations. This is about craft, atmosphere, and display. If that resonates, you will love it. The Fantasy Retro camera building set does something rare. It makes the building process feel like a ritual and the finish like a keepsake. The interactive features are clever and purposeful. The print quality is generally impressive. The storytelling layer with the film module and minifigure adds something you don't expect. And as a display object, it simply looks like it belongs. If you are buying this as a gift or for yourself, it's a yes from me. Link in the description. And if you own one already, drop a photo of your display setup in the comments. I genuinely love to see how you have styled it. If you enjoyed these videos, I cover building sets, collectibles, and design objects worth your shelf space. Hit like if this scratched your vintage photography itch, and I'll see you in the next one.